In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coursera lecture videos on mobile and computer. If you want to watch your lessons without an internet connection or simply prefer having your content ready on the go, this walkthrough will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's start with the Coursera mobile app. Once you're in the app, head to the course you want to watch offline. On the course page or within a specific week or module, look for the download icon next to the video content. Tap that icon and you'll see options like download videos or save for offline. Choose the option presented for your course. The app will begin saving the videos to your device and you'll typically see a progress indicator so you know it's working. When the download finishes, you'll be able to play those videos even if you're in airplane mode or away from Wi-Fi. For a smoother experience, use a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid data charges and make sure you have enough free storage on your device. If you prefer higher or lower video quality to save space, check the app settings for download quality options. And if you don't see a download icon, it may mean the course doesn't allow downloads or you need to update the app to the latest version. Now, let's move to a computer. Go to the course video player in your browser and open the specific lecture you want. Directly below the video, locate the section labeled Downloads. Click that and you'll see the available files. Select the video you want to download and your browser will begin saving it. Depending on the course, you may be able to pick a quality level before the download starts. The file will save to your browser's default download folder, and you can move it or rename it afterward for easier organization. If you don't see the download section beneath a particular video, that usually means the instructor or course settings don't provide a downloadable file for that lecture. A few quick tips as you get started. Downloading multiple lectures can take time, so keep your device plugged in if you're grabbing a lot of content. Periodically check your storage so you don't run out mid-download. And remember, some courses refresh access periodically, so you may need to reconnect to the internet occasionally to keep offline videos available. That's it. On mobile, use the download icon and choose download videos or save for offline. On a computer, use the download section below the video and select the file you want. With these steps, you'll be ready to learn anytime, anywhere,